guys, welcome back. So today I have a little unboxing for you. This is my Black Friday haul. I know there was a lot of fantastic sales on this year and I controlled myself to the point where, because I wanted to make sure I had the funds to get what I wanted from Kerikit. I just wanted to show you guys the bags as I unbox them. Okay, so here we go. I've already undone the box and this came very, very quick from Kerikit. I'm very impressed with their shipping. They use FedEx, and to Australia it takes about 4 days. And it's just awesome. So anyway, so I don't know what the first thing is. Let's just pull this one out first. This is Thor. Okay, so let's see which color I got. I'll see if you guys can guess. All right, here we go. So I got the nude in the Thor. I did hear that they were discontinuing this color or style. I'm not sure if it's both, but I know I wanted this color in this style bag and I wanted to grab it while it was on sale for 20% off. This is so pretty. So this is kind of like, it reminds me of a beigey pink color. So this is a natural sunlight in the afternoon. So there you go. That's what it looks like there. And on the back here, so let me just take this out here. Oh, it's so soft. I've taken all the wrappings and everything off all the zippers so you can kind of get a better look at the color. So that's what it looks like on the inside. Second one is a Joy. Okay, and this is the ice gray. This was the last one they had in stock, so I decided to grab this because it was the other one, Joy, I was eyeing off when I got my steel blue one. So this is really pretty as well. So this has gold hardware. It's a gray. Everything off the Joy in the ice gray. I think it's super pretty. So nice. I like having that dark and then light option for bags, especially styles that I really enjoy. So that's what the mommy pocket looks like. That's what the inside looks like. With the grey, with the gold, the champagne. Oh, it's so nice and soft. I love how soft their bags are. This tag, I got the initials of my kids embossed on there, which is really nice. Last thing I got was a Millie wallet in black. Ooh, how pretty is that? This is quite a large wallet here, but it is quite thin, which I like. And it does have a lot of really useful compartments. So there's a zip pocket back here. And I love this tassel. How pretty. Oh, it's so soft. And then it does open up flat, which is really cool. So that's what it looks like on the inside. So you do have a wristlet that actually comes out like this, and you can zip it up and use the wristlet, or you can remove it if you don't want to have it. It's a pen slot, a clear section here, 2 card slots here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots right there. And then there are these bits here that you can put passports and things in, but I might actually just put some different. See, these are slots as well, so you could easily put punch cards or cards that you don't want to get to here if you don't have enough card slots there. And this is really cool. I might put my hair ties and things in there as well. So that is really, really pretty. I do like that. It's a lot bigger than my other one that I'm using right now, and I think it's even bigger than Lily Jade. I'll have to do a comparison for you guys, but it's so soft. Oh, and it smells so good. So you go. I'm going to go look at my new bags now, guys, and I'll come back and let you know what I think, and I will do a comparison of 3 styles: Lennox, Joy, and Thor, coming up very soon. So you guys have a great afternoon. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.